everyone, happy Wednesday. The main purpose for this project was to add significance to each day and to see what made it special. But the more I think about this, the more I wonder, can every day be special? If every single day is special, wouldn't that make special the new norm? And then you would have to do something extra to make anything special again. Does this make sense to anybody but me? So I decided first of all to look up the definition of special. 1. Distinguished by some unusual quality, especially being in some way superior. 2. Held in particular esteem. 3. Readily distinguishable from others of the same category. 4. Being other than the usual. 5. Designed for a particular purpose or occasion. The 3 words I would use to describe special would be unique, significant, and beautiful. Although, there's obviously exceptions to those rules. So what would make a day special? I've mentioned before that it would be ascribing meaning to things, and I still agree with this, but I wonder how I can do that practically in this vlog. Already I've kind of gotten off track in my vlog, although I've still been doing things that are important to me. I wonder if I'm really actually, seizing the day, carpe diem. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys. What do you think? What should I do to make each day special? Is it just a mindset? Is it finding meaning in things? What do you think? Maybe I will shift the focus a little bit of this vlog. Maybe it will turn into what I've been doing and just recording my thoughts and my beliefs at this time, because that is sort of significant to document the change in my thinking and the change of my thought patterns. I know that years from now, if I find these videos, I'm gonna look back and be like, you believed what now? It's gonna be embarrassing. This is what it looks like outside my window. Can you see the bird? I'm so distracted by these birds. They're so pretty. Alright, ready? Oh, scared them away. Do the hump day. Do the hump day dance. Do the hump day. Do the hump day dance. Painted my fingernails, which is something I never do. They're distracting. Try to type my passwords in, and I start looking at my fingernails, and I forget what my fingers don't find the letters for my password. You know how when you type in your password, it's so fast because you're so used to doing it for every time. It trips me up. Lame. Okay, enough crazy for one day.